today. So let's get right to it.
So I've been locked for like 6 months, I think. I mean, I'm not one of those people that count because, I stopped being enthusiastic about natural hair when the horror of pain started. That's latex that has refused to come off. So that's the back of my hair already started. For this, I'll be using water in a spray bottle for hydration, oils to combat dryness, and my able hands. So spray first, then fluff out, then twist. So this is the palm roll method, and from what I hear, it's the safest. So one thing I like to do these days is to do my hair in 2-strand twists to make sure they last. So I decided to twist my hair in the clockwise direction because I thought that was right. But then I remembered the first time I implanted my locks, the loctician clearly said that if you're starting your locks with twists, it's best you twist anti-clockwise. And of course, you know me, I still went ahead and did another one like that again. But let's go back. So we're back and we're about to undo our mistakes. So now you go anti-clockwise, and when you're doing that, you make sure you firmly twirl each lock around your fingers, and then you twist. Atta girl, yes, finally. So we move on to the other side. Spray, twirl, and twist anti-clockwise. Exactly like so. So yeah, do that to the side. I feel gangster. And the back. Now, most of you might be wondering why I'm not doing the full on palm roll method. That's because Nami gets my hand though. Like, I really can't extend my hands that far and like roll with my palms. So I'm improvising by doing the finger twirl method. It's not even like it's an official method, but it will do just fine. So yeah, as you can see, I'm using my hands to part. I'm not using a comb because even to be honest, at the lock salons, they don't use combs. Like, they just use their hands to part. And I know a lot of you might see it as deadly, but it works. Because I mean, look at that. You can see my parts, like they're showing. I don't need them perfect. So yeah, I mean, my hands do just fine and they get the job done. So yes, so yeah, that's me. Let me stop. So I know I said I wasn't going to talk anymore, but oh my god, see how my undone hair looks like land. I mean, oh god. Oh. So same thing to the back, and then the middle. Separate the hair as easily as you can. Don't forget to spray water because your hair just might be as dry as mine. And at the same time, you want to make sure you're not putting a lot of product on your hair because you don't want your locks to look ashy, eternally ashy, because that happens. I saw this picture and I was shocked. I said, no, I'll stop using gels on my hair. And that's why today I decided to just use leave-in conditioner, water, and oils. Simple. That way, warm water would be able to break that down from my hair, as opposed to using gel and then spray gel and then oils and then all of these chemicals. And nah, it's just too much. So I decided to just go with oils and water today and little leave-in conditioner. A few moments later. I mean, if you had a shot for every time I touch my hair, oh my goodness. Finally got a hairstyle, yes. Ugh. So now that we're done, here's what the back looks like. As you can see, I have a little bit of build up myself. So my advice in all of this is, even if you want to use products at all on your hair, like gel and stuff, make sure they are lightweight. And by lightweight, I mean super lightweight. Custards are even still sort of heavy. So your best bet would be something as light as aloe vera gel. That easily dissolves in warm water. So that would be like your best bet, to be honest. Because with time, if you do not reduce your product usage, there's every tendency that your locks might get heavy, and you do not want that. And you don't even want them to look ashy. And then, hey, what if you get stuck in rain by chance and you don't have any means of covering your hair? You'll be in trouble. So that's the look. Bye.